to show you how to set up the attendee manage Zoom OAuth example app. So first, just call this repo. Then you want to run npm install. Okay. Then we're going to go to the Zoom developer portal and create a new general app. So first you want to set the OAuth redirect URL. Then you want to go to embed meeting SDK. And then you want to add a bunch of scopes. Those are all my scopes. Okay. And next you want to fill out these environment variables. Okay. You're going to create an attendee API key. Okay, and that's everything. And then you're going to want to start ngrok running. Cool. Should be pointing at port 5005. And then you need to add your Zoom credentials into attendee. Webhook secret. Okay. And then you're going to need to add a webhook within the Zoom app portal. So copy this webhook URL from attendee, and then go down and create an event subscription, and paste in this URL from attendee. And you're going to add 2 events. The events are when a meeting has been created and when a user's profile info has been updated. You're going to want to save that. And if you're doing this in the production tab, it's going to ask you to validate the webhook. It's not doing that since we're in development. And then you need to configure your attendee webhooks. So take this URL, just add /attendee-webhook at the end, then select Zoom OAuth connection.statechange. And then you can start using your application. Okay, so localhost 5005. And just connect your Zoom account. And if you're seeing that, it means it connected successfully. So yeah, we can start a meeting and invite the bot to that meeting. Okay, so this bot is going to have 2 tokens. It's going to have an on behalf token, which means it's going to be associated with a given user who has to be both in the meeting before the bot joins and has to have authorized the associated Zoom app. And second, it's going to use a local recording token. Normally when your bot joins a meeting, it's going to have to ask permission.
This meeting is being recorded.
There's the bot. It just joined. So it could just immediately ask recording permission. As you can see here, it's recording without having to ask anybody. And it's also associated with me in the UI. You see how it's nested under me? That's because of the onBehalf token. So yeah, just keep in mind the onBehalf token is going to become mandatory in February 23rd, 2026. So as we can see, the bot joined. It used both tokens successfully. So hope this shows how to set up the example app. Let me know if you have any questions.